welcome back to the channel. So really quick, I just got off of work, you guys, took my shower, and now I'm here. We're gonna have a quick Kroger's haul, you guys. I got some cleaning to do in this house, I got some cooking to do, all that good stuff. So let's end all the rambling and get to it. So I went to Kroger's and I spent like $59, you guys. I bought some dinner for tonight and a little bit extra stuff we needed at the house. So the first thing I got was the Kroger's soft wheat bread, and it's really soft for real, you guys. And I probably will have all the prices either in the description or somewhere in the video beside the product. So I got some bread that I accidentally smushed. Like I always say, don't be shy when it comes to the brand at the store. Kroger brand is really good. I F with Kroger's brand. Y'all know, if y'all grown and adultish, y'all know what if means. So but anyways, I got some white hamburger enriched buns, Kroger's brand. Way more cheaper to buy the store brand than the actual brand product. And sometimes you can buy the brand product and it's good too, but it's all the same. It's just a cheaper version, just a way for them to get their products sold. So they'll get a cheaper, Kroger's will get a more of the product, especially if they have more of the product and they can't sell the brand. Kroger's will get that brand and at their distribution center and put it in their labeled packaging, so it's more cheaper for us to buy. And with the inflation going on, honey, sis, child, sis, bruh, yeah. So I got some Kroger natural cheese, Kobe Jack shredded cheese, you guys. So tonight we're having sloppy joes because I haven't had my childhood favorite meal in a long time. So I decided I was gonna get some sloppy joe stuff and make up some sloppy joe for me and babe. So I got some Manwich original sloppy joe. Now I could make it by myself, but I don't have time for that. I'm tired, you guys. So I got the sloppy joe mix. This big can right here, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's 24 ounce and it was $1 and some change, like $1.25, y'all. Like, it was cheap. I did get some of this 3 pepper and onion blend. It's got red, green, and yellow and onions, bell peppers and onions in there. I'm gonna dice those up really good and put it inside of my sloppy joe, and whatever's left, then I'm just gonna put it in a Ziploc bag and save it for something else. I did get some crinkle cut fries. These are French fries I love from Kroger's. The crinkle cut ones are really good. It's hot in Dallas, Texas, so I'm trying my best to not have my stove on as long as I don't have to have it on. So you guys, I got me some Stella Rosa black wine. I don't know why my phone keep falling, but we're gonna just do what it do. So I got this one right here, my favorite of all time. Yes, honey, it's time. Okay, I haven't had wine in so long, you guys. I literally been whining. So but anyways, I am trying this new Smart Way lemon scent dish soap with degreasing power, and it's a 25 full ounce, and these were only $1 something. They're Kroger brand as well, so if you see these, pick them up. This is my first time using these. If you have already used these, let me know if they work. Do they have a lot of bubbles, suds? Are they cleaning the dishes right? Are they degreasing the dishes right? So I just want to know how that's going for you, you guys. And also Nolan Ryan, which was a baseball player back in the day, all his stuff is on sale at Kroger. So if you're a Nolan Ryan fan and you love these beef patties, also his ground beef is on sale as well, so I got that as well. And then I got some soy sauce, light soy sauce. Also got some alkaline water, pH balance 9.5. Never had it, never tried it. It's my first time trying it. Then we got some tissue, 12 of the 12 rolls. This is like $4 or $5 cheaper than Walmart, Tom. I priced everything. And I got 12 paper towels. So you guys, this is it for my haul. You guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notification, and also share the video. Bye.